So guys, back to the max troubleshooting. The ESC had the flashing red lights basically. I've gone to Model Sports today and I've took the original ESC out of here in a box. I've told the guy what happened, obviously, rung traxxas. I explained this to the guy and that they said that it needed to go back for testing. Now Dan says I won't get that back for a few weeks, but the guy didn't even open the box and he's offered me a max8 ESC or the original ESC which comes with the car. Now straight away that tells me that they're already aware that there's some sort of issue. So if you've had the red flashing lights, then get it checked out straight away. Onto the max8. What you get in the box, get your ESC, in there. It's struggling. What the hell? There we go. These ESCs are a lot better than the standard traxxas ones. Sorry traxxas, but you do lose on ESCs. Motor leads. We've got some double-sided foam, sticky foam. We've got a spare fan unit in the bag. And if you know what that is, then please comment down below, because we have not got a clue. User manual, which we'll go into later. User manual of program card for the brushless ESC. Stickers. We all love a good freebie. And also in the box we have a free LED programming card.
So that powers your fan on your ESC, but you've got no supply then to power your fan on your.
But that's not what that's for. That's something to do with the battery terminals. You know what I mean?
Why you got two on?
That's what that's for.
Because you're on one battery, aren't you?
Yeah.
That's powered for two. You got to cut them.
That's what I said to him.
Yeah, but yeah.
And just solder one on.
Need one of these.
I don't know what that's for, dude. Now this does come for two separate batteries. The traxxas max only runs one battery. So all I've done is I've pulled this center lead out, kept one of the plugs on, and then fitted them both back into one plug. So we've just figured out where the wire layout is for the traxxas max on the Hobbywing ESC. Now we've got blue in A, black in B, and white in C. Now Danny has just plugged in his programming card, and now he's programming it.
We'll just set it to
can't really see the screen.
4S LiPo, which you'll be running. Motor counterclockwise, that's alright. Max brake. 50.
So we're struggling to see the LED screen on the camera, but if you do need help with the programming, and then comment down below, and I'm sure Dan will be happy to answer all your questions. These are the standard bolts what come out of your traxxas ESC. They will not work for the Hobbywing ESC. So if you go back to the little packaging where you get your sticky foam and the rest of it, you'll find some smaller bolts. And now this will not sit straight. So there's another two holes. So you have to sit it on a slight angle, and you will get two fixing points down onto the traxxas max. Also, another note is your motor fan, you will need to come up with an idea to get that running again. We just got an extension lead that goes from obviously your red plug down to a plug that obviously fits your receiver, and put it in the bottom pins on the receiver, and that works fine. Just note that I've got 100k diff oil in the front, 20 million in the centre diff, and 100k in the rear diff. Wow, it's a lot more powerful. It seems that I can't put a throttle in. Jesus. Oh my God. No matter how slow I squeeze that trigger, I cannot get full throttle. Now we did program the ESC and we'll turn the punch all the way up. Just another note to take. Just can't keep that front end on.